Day has finally come. I don't stab myself first. Also got like a color that was very different and out of my comfort zone, but I think it's gonna be really nice. Plus it was on sale. You guys are in the market for a trash can. I linked this one. Let's see if we can lift this. Okay. More cardboard. Story of my life. Move this old one out. Old nasty one. Should vacuum right there, vacuum and mop, but I wanted to thank Fertile for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now, even though we aren't actively trying to grow our family, this collaboration has a special place in my heart because I myself struggled with pregnancy. With my first, we met with so many doctors. It really struggled. It took us about 1.5 years to finally have a successful pregnancy, and I wish somebody would have shared this with me. So I'm so excited to be sharing this brand with you guys today. Heard of Fertile? They are the only FDA cleared sterile at-home IVI kit on the market, which is so huge. Fertile is affordable and safe, and my favorite thing is that you can experience this in the comfort and privacy of your own home. It's everything that you need, 3 sterile syringes, as well as very easy to read and follow instructions. The other thing I loved about the Fertile kit is that you can actually use this along with medications like Clomid. Clomid was actually what helped me get pregnant with my first, so I love that I'm able to not only continue to work along with maybe my doctor and trying to utilize those medications, but I can also be using the Fertile kit here at home. Fertile was kind enough to send me a kit to be able to give away to one of you. I will actually be doing this giveaway over on Instagram. So I will have my handle here on the screen so you guys can hop over there and see all the details. So that way I can get one of these sent over to one of you guys. Thank you so much to Fertile for sponsoring this portion of today's video. We had to go to Home Depot. My husband was so confused, you guys. He was like, why are we buying this? I found him at Tractor Supply for $17.99, and I just thought he was so cute for spring. You could use him indoor or outdoor. Maybe stacked on some books with some flowers, some tulips or something. But he is so cute. Couldn't bring home a real duckling, so I brought him home instead. But we were at Home Depot and I got some meat stuff. I wanted to try these in the garbage disposal, so we can try those out today, as well as this. I'm going to put it in my dishwasher. So I did look up, there we go, now it's focused, the directions, and you put it, Ruger's right here in the background, just grunting away. I know you're there, buddy. We bought him treats, so I'll have to get him treats. But anyways, those are the directions. We're gonna try those out. Here's the brand, again from Home Depot. And then I got oil splatter on my Lululemon leggings and I wanted to cry. And a friend of mine told me to try this and it was at Home Depot. So we're gonna try that out too. Come here. Lay down. No, lay down. Down. Good boy. Look at the tail. You were wagging. There it goes. I also picked up 2 more Dawn Power Wash because I want to do one down here in the kitchen sink, and then I want one upstairs that I can use that's dedicated to the bathrooms up there for like the tubs and showers. So I got a couple more things at Dawn Power Wash because I was out. You guys saw I picked up some more of my Evian waters. I love these waters, are my favorite. I was out of my Downy scent beads. It's running low on Tide. The whole family was home, so I decided to go ahead and just do a voiceover on this part. But in case you guys were not aware, Easter is actually March 31st this year, and we had to run to Kohl's, and I love picking up brand name clothing from Kohl's because you usually get a great deal. So these shirts were on sale for $28, so they were $10 off each. I got one for Rylan and one for Colton, so I finally committed to a couple of shirts for them for Easter. So I'm super duper excited about this little find. So just a heads up, if you haven't grabbed your kids' Easter dresses or outfits yet, you definitely want to grab them now before it's too last minute. Also, let me know if you guys want to know what I'm going to be doing in Easter baskets this year. Let me know down below in the comments and I'll make sure to share it in an upcoming video. This trash can is definitely a unique color. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I really think that I'm going to like it. I'm really trying to warm up the space. I know that gray is out and beiges and browns are definitely coming back in. And I feel like the overall look of the house, this trash can does work. So, and it was a good deal. It was just over $100 on Amazon. I'll see if I can link it. It was on sale. So if it's still marked down, I will go ahead and share that with you guys. I'll put it in the pinned comments. I know we all agreed that we cannot believe how expensive trash cans can be. And so it's something that I've definitely been putting off, but I'm so glad that I finally have one now. We usually take our recycle and just kind of like stack it on the counter, and then whoever goes out next just kind of brings it out. And I hated how it looked just piling up on the counter. So it's definitely something I wanted, was a trash can with 2 sides, one for recycle and one for trash. So I wiped down the wall there where the trash can sits, and then I did just a quick vacuum and mop. I didn't spend a whole lot of time on it. Wiped down the baseboards and just got everything put into place. And you notice I'm pouring a couple things down the sink. One is my Coffee Mate creamer. I switched over to the Chobani brand creamer. It's just so much better for you. Just natural ingredients versus Coffee Mate. I know it's terrible for you, but... Okay, so that's at least been a minute. So now it says to turn this down to pencil width. Maybe that. We're going to take one of our tabs. Looks like this came with 5 of them. I'll have to read and see how often you're supposed to do your disposal. So here's what a tab looks like. My husband's working at the yard. I have the sliding glass door open and I don't want to get a copyright because he's playing music. So anyways, we got our hot water, super hot. Turn down the water. We got this. So now I guess we need to just drop that down the drain. It smells clean. I'm still not seeing any film come up. I have no clue if it was me or the product, but like there's 3 steps. It's not very difficult. So I'm a little sad, a little underwhelmed. I was hoping for like foam to come up, like when you do like baking soda and vinegar. So I'm a little sad. Can't say I highly recommend these. Maybe it cleaned it at least. I don't know. The jury's out on these, but so far not impressed. But we still have this to try out. So I'm gonna do a quick wash on what's in the dishwasher, and then I can unload it, and then I'm gonna run this, and then maybe this will be a little bit more whelming since this was so underwhelming. This is turning out to be such a great mail day for me, you guys. I got these hooks. I'll show you what these are for in just a second. I've actually been wanting these for a while. Finally pulled the trigger. I also got some new adhesives that I need to use on the car mount in my car. My car mount fell down, so I needed some new adhesives. Also, my hook in my closet that I use for all of like my hats, all my baseball caps, came crashing down off the wall. So I ordered these new adhesives that I'm hoping I can get everything stuck back to the wall, and they're a little bit more heavy duty. I also ordered a purse organizer on Amazon as well. I ordered myself some new purses. They're not in yet. I do have one, but I want to go through that area, and I want like a really pretty spot to put my handbags. So the really pretty clear acrylic ones, very, very affordable, once again off Amazon. So I want to get those put up as well. And you guys have requested and shown interest in me going through my emergency stash. Ever since the pandemic, we've had like a little stash, and it's obviously been a few years now. So I need to go through that because it never hurts to be prepared. Not only, you know, you never know what's gonna happen, but I'm in California and we get earthquakes and stuff like that. And I always try and have like water and like emergency stuff set aside that's just like ready. So I mentioned that in one of my videos before, and you guys expressed interest. So we're gonna go through that together as well. And then kind of go from there. Let's see if you guys will work here. No? Let's see. Is it falling? No? Okay. That's it. No. Okay, so when I'm in here, just put my bag. How fun. And then I'll put one on the other side. I did get a late start filming today because the whole family was home, like I mentioned, and we went out of the house, ran a bunch of errands, did lunch together, and by the time I got back home and picked up the camera, there wasn't a whole lot of daylight left. So I'm still glad I picked up the camera and took you guys along this journey with me today and was able to share a lot of my fun Happy Meal. But it's time to get dinner in the oven. I shared a Costco haul in my last video, so I'm just cooking up these scalloped potatoes and asparagus here in the oven, and then when this is almost done, I'm actually going to heat up the burnt ends. We love barbecue. Those are so delicious. So I'm gonna get dinner going in the background, and this is my emergency stash that I had mentioned that I had before, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through this, and you guys will have to see how this turns out. It is absolutely shocking and disappointing.
Staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down.
All right, not looking too good. Everything in this pile says expired. This is the only stuff. This is June 2024. And then of course like salt and pepper, oil, and a thing of toilet paper. So, I feel like the rice still might be okay. Got a couple things of rice. Maybe the pasta or oatmeal. I have no clue. I mean, these will probably survive a nuke. Those are probably fine. That's disappointing.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you are new here, I would love if you could consider subscribing before you leave. And if you could hit that like button, it helps out my channel a ton. I have a lot of spring content coming and I cannot wait to share that all with you guys. Also, I will have the link for Fertile down below in the description box. Also, make sure you head over and follow me over on Instagram so that way you can apply for my giveaway. Thank you again so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye friends.
Wish I could say I was finally over.